Here we go. So we got problem number 18. Take a look up here. So they're giving you the diameter, okay? So you have to remember the diameter
Right, can you stop, please?
is equal to 2r. Okay? That is the definition of the diameter of a circle. Okay? So, substitute in 20 equals 2r, right? And that is substitution. Correct? So how do I know how much the radius is?
I don't know any of these things. So I'm like, sorry.
Think. The diameter is 20. How much is half of 20?
10.
That's it. That's all we're asking you. We're asking you to plug it in. Show me why it's 20. Show me why it's 10, right? It's 10 because when I divide by 2, the definition. That means definition.
So DEF.
Yes.
It doesn't make sense.
Sorry. So 10 is equal to R. And once I know what R is, right, then I can talk about the base area of the pyramid. And in this case, because the pyramid is a circle base, we call it a cone, right?
Yeah.
So this is a cylinder, and we've taken 1/3 of that cylinder, right? 1/3 of the cylinder is the cone or the pyramid. Okay? So, do you remember the base area of the pyramid? The base area of the pyramid is equal to what? Guys, I'm recording. So could you really focus?
Yes.
The base area of the pyramid is what? What's the base?
20.
What's the base? What's the shape?
10.
The shape.
Oh,
Circle.
A circle, right? So what's the area of a circle?
360.
No. That's how many degrees are in a circle. The area of a circle.
20.
Pi r squared. The whole purpose of getting r is so that we can plug it into the area of a circle. Okay?
It's hot in here, man.
So now, the base area of the pyramid is equal to pi times 10 meters squared. Okay? Now, when I divide it on both sides, for us, that's dm, right?
Yes, sir.
Then we substitute, or actually we find the definition of the base area of a pyramid. And then from that definition, we substitute in the R value, right? Now we're able to do the math. And we know that the base area of the pyramid is equal to, what's 10 squared? 10 times 10.
100.
100 m squared pi. Okay, that's your base area. Everybody got that?
No, not yet.
Now, that is, all we did there was PEMDAS, right? So MD in this case. See the difference in MD and DM? Here we were solving for R. Here we're plugging it in and just doing PEMDAS, just multiplying it out. Simplifying, in other words. So you can actually put in simplify. You will get extra points for doing so. Alright, now, what is the area of a pyramid? Okay, the area of a pyramid is equal to 1/3 the base area of the pyramid times the height. Okay? So if you want to use capital H or little h, it's up to you.
Yes, sir.
Okay? Now we know that the height is right here, right? So we know that the height is 20. We now know the base area is 100. So what we're saying is, and this is the definition of the area of a pyramid. Okay? Now, this is a cone, but a pyramid and a cone, they have the same formula, right? Base area times height. Okay? Alright, so I'm going to take the area of a pyramid and say it's 1/3. What's the base area we found it to be? 100. Good. And what's the height? 20 meters. Good. Now, what is 20 times 100? Oh, sorry. It was 100 pi, right? Sorry about that. 100 pi and then 20 meters. And that is substitution. Okay, and then you said yes, 2,000. So we have the answer to the area of a pyramid is equal to 2,000 over 3 pi m cubed, right? Because the m squared and the m makes the m cubed. Okay? Because 2 plus 1 is 3. And that's how we deal with exponents, right? Okay? Now that's the actual number. That's the actual value. So all we did there was multiply, right? And multiplication division from left to right is just MD, yeah? Or simplifying. Again, extra credit for saying simplifying. Then what? Then we want to plug it in our calculator, okay? This is just calculator work. You have to learn how to do the calculator work, right? You have to learn how to do 2,000 pi, right? Divided by 3 equals. And I get 2094.3955102. And we're going to round it off here. So what does the 9 do to the 3? Do you remember? What does the 9 do to the 3? Charles,
Yeah.
what does the 9 do to the 3?
Stay the same.
No. A 4 would make the 3 stay the same. A 9,
Oh, the 9 to the 3, make it go up one.
yes. So the area of the pyramid is equal to 2,094.4 meters cubed. And that would be the approximation, right? So we're finding the approximate value. Okay, and I want you guys learning the difference between the actual value and the approximate value, okay? So we're going to do another cone. Excuse me. So the one thing you have to be careful about is if they give you the diameter versus the radius. Okay?